Did you get a pet during the COVID-19 pandemic when you were quarantined and spent the whole time with your cat, but life is back and you can't spend time with your pet anymore?
We found that this leads to a number of issues for cats. Loneliness and boredom in cats causes overeating, aggression and anxiety. Does your cat also face these issues? We think we might have the perfect solution for you.
Introducing CloudBased Cuddles. We can take your cat from this to this by using a remote controller that you can control while at work or at uni, and you can play with your cat on the cloud.
That was good, that was really good. So here we have the transmitter, which is what you'll have with you at uni or at work or wherever you want to remotely play with your cat. It is an accelerometer, and as you can see here, we have two axes of accelerometer data plotted. We have a filtered version and then the raw data as well. We are using an IIR filter to filter out any unwanted signals, so we are only receiving the data from your hand movements. Here as well, sample frequency for our Arduino boards, that is updated roughly every second.
So on this side we have the receiver. It is tuned to the same sampling frequency as the transmitter, and each of the axes correspond to a different servo that moves the toy for your cat. You must be wondering, how does the transmission happen? Well, we're using Firebase. I'll talk you through the hardware that we made for our device. We made simple breakout PCBs. This one basically breaks out the 5-volt output from the Arduino for the two servos, so it can just be plugged in. And this one, accelerometer plugged in as well, and it's interchangeable, so you can use any other one that you want.
So if we move in the X direction, we see a movement of the laser in the X direction, and then Y, we see a movement perpendicular to the last movement, which is what we would expect. Also, if we look at the graphs, we'll see the raw signal and then underneath it the filtered signal. So I'll just move the accelerometer around quite erratically just so you can see the difference. We are writing to the real-time database. All the kind of processing of the threshold voltage that would cause a change in angle is done on the transmitter side, so when it reaches the database, all that's been sent is an angle. So if I move the accelerometer, you'll see changes both on the database and also on the receiver terminal.
So thank you so much for watching. I hope that we convinced you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.